Good breath. What are you two looking at? Is there a cat in here? I'm gonna... You're gonna... I have to... Get out of here!
See, kids, I told you, stick with me, it'll all work out.